Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosa, aka Therapy. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieve these bomb curls, okay? With this color and everything. I'm gonna give you all the details. So if you're interested in finding out more about this style, please keep watching. All right, but before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Make sure you hit that button. You can click the bell if you want to. I'll leave that up for you to decide. Also, if you don't already follow me on the gram, make sure you follow me on the gram for updates about how this is keeping up, to be honest, because I probably won't make another video to put on YouTube about it. But I will definitely keep you guys updated on my Instagram. So be sure to follow me, Therapy4_. I mostly use my Nature's Little Secret products to achieve this style. So if you are interested in trying these products, please feel free to use my coupon code. I'll put it right here on the screen for you, so you can go pick you up some and try this style, along with saving you some coin, because I know, trust me girl, I know how important it is to save money. So I got you, I got you, I got you. Get the color, I used Gemini Naturals Get Hued Vegan Temporary Hair Gel in the color Cobalt. That's that pretty blue color. The purple is a result of the hair paint wax. The colors look bomb together. Each section, I use a smidge of Extreme Wet Line. I am a girl who loves hold. Like I want to be able to feel the hold of the gel. So this stuff definitely comes in handy for that. And I know that my curls are gonna last when I add this to whatever I use. I know that my curls are gonna last a little bit longer because the hold is just amazing. So those are the products that I used. Let's get into this video, right? All right guys, so to do this straw set, I am starting off on freshly washed, deep conditioned hair. I so happen to also use Nature's Little Secret for my wash day routine today. So I used the cucumber shampoo along with the rose hydrating conditioner, and it had my hair feeling bomb. She is nice and prepped and ready to go for this straw set. I'm using some smoothie straws for my straw set. Smoothie straws are a tiny bit thicker so that they can suck up, you know, like milkshakes. I got these off of Amazon. So I'm basically gonna cut them in half and work from that. Oh yes, I forgot. You also need bobby pins to hold the straw into place. Take a little bit of the Irish moss, a little bit of flaxseed gel, wet line gel, basically I just rolled the ends onto the straw and kind of wrapped it over the tippy tip end so that it'll just stay on there without me having to hold it. And then I'm going to do this twirling. So that was a little preview. I'm going to do the back and come back when I get up to the front so that you guys can see it better and I can explain it better while I do it. So I'll be back. All right. And then once I have all the products in, I'm going to make sure it's nice and detangled. And I'm going to add my color to the bottom. Gemini Naturals Cobalt. Draw. So, you're going to see me roll the ends on there. And then once I have the ends tucked in and rolled, I'm going to start wrapping the straw around the section of hair. It's going to create that spiral curl. So there. So now I'm going to roll. Sorry, I'm going to twirl it. And push my hair up the straw so I have as little straw at top as possible. Get a bobby pin and put one end of the bobby pin inside the straw and the other end is going to go against my hair to hold it in place. Cut off the excess straw. All right, guys, I'm all done. This is definitely a process. This is definitely something you're not going to be able to do quick, fast, in a hurry. But I'm definitely hoping that these curls are going to last me at least a week and a half, if not 2 weeks. But yeah, I'll just give you guys a closer view of our final product. Yeah, out here looking a little crazy, but wait for the reveal. Wait for the reveal in the morning. It's definitely going to be worth it. I can't wait. I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so it is the next day. I finished about 10 something last night and it is now 2:15 p.m. So it had a good at least 12 hours to dry. Since we started off on blow dried hair, it didn't really need much. A lot of the ones in the back were pretty much dry when I was still working on the front. So I'm fairly confident that this is 100% dry. My lips, on the other hand, are also dry, and we do not want that. So I'm going to take my Nature's Little Secret herbal oil and I'm moistening my hands up with that. Prevent as much frizz as possible. And let's start to take out these straws. These curls are looking good so far. I don't know, whenever I do something new that I've never tried before, I always fear that I did it wrong or it's just gonna be a complete mess, but yeah, so I mentioned this in my stories, but I just wanted to mention it here in this tutorial. These straws were not, you know, comfortable to sleep on, but I was able to fall asleep. I was able to get a good amount of sleep without, you know, my head being in so much pain, compared to flexi rods and perm rods and bantu knots. I would put, if those were up here in discomfort level, the straws would be way below that. It was not as bad as I feared. So I definitely can see myself doing these over again. I don't know when that would be, because it was a process. So you definitely need to set aside a good amount of time. I would say the whole day if you have it, to dedicate to this hairstyle. But I will say, I definitely think that these are going to last for a good amount of time. So is it worth it? Is it worth it? I'm gonna leave that for you guys to decide. Comment below if you think it was worth the work. What do you guys think? Do you like the style? Do you like the colors? Do you like the curls? Let me know down below. Let me know if you tried straw sets before, or if you are interested in trying them now. Yeah, this is the final look. I'm gonna let her grow, and I'm gonna let the volume come out throughout the days as it gets older and older. I'm not gonna pluck out or separate too much more. Because like I said, I want this style to last me a good amount of time. So, I think that's everything. If I left anything out, please feel free to ask me any questions about anything in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next video.